Hello everyone. Thank you for joining in on today's YouTube video. I just want to help you understand a few things which are going to help you better trade on a budget day. So what are those things that are actually going to help you on a budget day is how to approach the budget. Okay, so let's divide the budget into three main parts. First part being pre-budget, second being the budget speech itself, and the third being the post-budget part. So the pre-budget, normally there is a lot of volatility. You are not really able to predict what is going to happen. I would rather say do not trade during that period. Okay. Second is when the budget speech is being announced. So what you can do is for that budget speech, identify key sectors that you can focus on. Okay. So normally the budget tends to focus on agriculture. Uh, One is with respect to construction or bridges or large infra projects. Third being possibly deductions or any other benefits for salaried class or all those aspects. And one is with respect to increasing the banking sector's strength. Okay. So you can create a watch list for each of these sectors, specifically focusing on those sectors. Okay. So that whenever that specific announcement is being made in that budget speech, you are ready with that watch list. You don't have to type in, waste time. Ready, click on that watch list and trade it. One more thing that you can keep in mind this time is possibly with respect to auto sectors. Okay, so keep that in mind. Auto sectors stocks have been rallying left and right over the past few days. Just keep an eye out on that as well. Possibly there could be some result reason because of the budget related aspects. Having said that, you can create a special watch list based on one, two, three, or four sectors that you want to focus on and trade that sector. One more thing that you need to keep in mind is creating a heavyweights watch list. Okay, so Nifty 50 top 5, Bank Nifty top 3, top 4. Keep those also as a separate watch list. So if you start seeing any change there, possibly you are going to see a change on the index, which you can use in futures and options trading. So keep all these things in mind when you're creating watch list sector wise. So this is going to be really helpful when you're actually trading during the budget. So it is for traders who are more aggressive, who do not want to trade after it. So, but take advantage during the budget speech itself. It is very volatile. Keep that in mind. You need to act fast. Your limit orders, stop losses also need to be in place. Okay. Let's say you are someone who is not active trader, but someone who is wanting to understand the budget and take a decision based on that. For that, what you can do is normally when the budget speech is over, there is more clarity with respect to announcements. The action from institutional side starts. Okay, during the thing it's during the budget thing itself, there is some activity, but post that budget announcement, a lot of decisions with respect to buying or selling will be made. What you can do is for that period, identify a range for Nifty or Bank Nifty. Once it breaks out on the upside or once it breaks out on the downside, that reflects whether the budget has been taken in good sense and spirit, or whether it is actually something negative and depressing for the economy or maybe the financial markets. So if you are able to understand where the breakout is happening, you are getting a direction with respect to that trade, and then you can trade in that direction. Okay, so that is going to be helpful post budget announcement is done, post the budget speech itself. So these are the things that you should normally keep in mind. This is what I do myself. So I'm just sharing that with you, which is going to help you trade also. One more thing with respect to budget, specifically during the budget speech, option premiums are very expensive. So just be careful. Do not buy just before the budget speech ends. Do not buy just before the budget speech ends. That is a word of caution. Why? Because of volatility is high. IV spikes happen. India VIX is also possibly high during that period, which may affect your options buying to a negative effect. So keep all these things in mind and hoping you have a great budget day for trading and see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching this video.